Morning light upon my face, whisper softly sets the pace. No need to rush, no need to climb, just take it one day at a time. Footsteps echo on the street, dancing slow to my own beat. The world can wait, I'll take my rhyme, living's enough one day at a time. Laugh like sunshine through the rain, cry like rivers wash the pain, smile like flowers in the dawn, love like every fear is gone. One day at a time, just breathe it in. Let your heart begin again. No need to hold tomorrow's weight. Today's enough. Don't hesitate.